Hello, and welcome to the final segment of the Monsoon Safety Awareness Week series presented by the National Weather Service in Flagstaff. Today's topic is heat stress. Can you guess what the nation's #1 weather-related killer is? If you guessed heat, you would be correct. Heat kills more Americans each year on average than tornadoes, hurricanes, floods, and lightning combined. Here in the Southwest, there's no shortage of extreme heat, especially in the lower elevations where triple-digit heat is routinely experienced from May through September. At Phantom Ranch, at an elevation of 2,500 feet above sea level, at the base of the Grand Canyon, temperatures have risen as high as 120 degrees. With this kind of extreme heat co-located with so many outdoor and tourist attractions, it's important to keep cool during the otherwise hot summer months. So let's review some tips on how to avoid heat stress this summer and stay safe in the Arizona sun. One tip to keep in mind this summer is to never leave your children or pets unattended in the car. Even in just a few minutes, the interior of a vehicle can quickly turn into an oven under the hot southwestern sun. Check out this animation provided by the General Motors and San Francisco State University, which depicts how quickly the interior of a vehicle can warm under the summer sun. In this example, the outside temperature is only 80 degrees, much cooler than the normal temperatures in Arizona during the summer. Watch as the temperature inside warms to over 120 degrees in the course of an hour. Needless to say, when it's already over 100 degrees outside, the inside of a vehicle can quickly become a death trap. Never leave children or pets unattended in your car, even for a few minutes. Some additional tips on how to stay cool this summer. Stay indoors and try to limit your exposure to the sun. Plan your outdoor activities during the cooler morning hours or the cooler evening hours, but not during the peak daylight hours. If you must be outside, wear cool, loose-fitting clothing and drink plenty of water. Protect your face by using a wide-brimmed hat and lather on the sunscreen to prevent sunburn. Hang out in air-conditioned places if your home or residence is not cool enough. Check on the elderly and never leave children, pets, or disabled adults alone in a closed vehicle. Even cracking the windows does not significantly change the temperature inside of a vehicle. Also, ensure your pets have plenty of water and bring them inside if the temperatures get too warm. Also, know the signs of heat-related illness, which can include confusion, dehydration, feeling weak or tired, headache, muscle cramps, nausea, pale skin, or rapid heartbeat. One factor that can exacerbate the already stifling heat in Arizona during monsoon season is the increase in humidity. While not as humid as most locations east of the Rocky Mountains, Arizona can occasionally get muggy during parts of the monsoon season, which can affect how your body responds to the high temperatures. The human body normally cools itself through perspiration, or sweating. Heat is removed from the body by evaporation of that sweat. However, with increased relative humidity, we have a reduction in the evaporation rate, which does not allow for the maximum amount of evaporation from the body to occur. This results in a lower rate of heat removal and hence the sensation of being overheated. The heat index attempts to compare the actual temperature with what it feels like to your body, given the change in relative humidity. For example, a temperature of 94 degrees with 50% relative humidity will feel more like 103. On days when it seems extra sticky, be aware that your body may not cool itself as efficiently as it normally does. Lastly, stay a step ahead of the extreme heat by listening for the following types of weather alerts. An excessive heat watch means that there's potential for extreme heat in the next 1 to 3 days. This is your chance to prepare for the extreme heat. An excessive heat warning means an extreme heat event is occurring or will occur in the next 36 hours. This is issued when extreme heat poses a threat to life and will be extremely dangerous if caution is not taken. This concludes our week-long series for Monsoon Safety Awareness Week. If you haven't already, we encourage you to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and always feel free to interact with us or send us your questions if you have any. Thanks again for watching and have a happy and safe monsoon season.